Yeah.
You can argue and say, well, technically that's based upon previous original works.
Right.
So it's not, you can argue and say it's not really unique. And then, like, the person who's creating that doesn't really own intellectual rights to that. Right. And that has been the battle up thus far, is like, if you put it into AI and it generates something new, you don't really own those intellectual rights.
Well, you don't.
Well, recent cases is starting to shape that. Right now, I think it's starting. I'm not going to name the case because I don't got it in front of me. But they were going in front of the case was being presented, and I believe either it got ruled or the judge had looked at it and stated something to the nature of, if you're pushing it into AI and then whatever comes out of it is totally different,
Right,
then from anything that was before, then you can, and that is only to that person, you can argue that that's their property. So right now there's things that's starting to shape this. It's not fully shaped.
Well, there we go. I think we've discussed this here on Musing Around, is that the world is going to have to change because we have this new thing that's being created, and laws are going to have to be shifted because as of right now, the way laws are written, I mean, are you technically breaking? Right now, if I'm talking to ChatGPT, right?
Yeah.
And I'm teaching it shit, and it creates something like bold and beautiful.
Who owns it? ChatGPT or you?
I think they do now, right?
OpenAI or you?
Well, because they're giving you free. Well, hey, do we own our pictures on Instagram? Do we own our pictures on Facebook?
Well, we do, but they have exclusively.
Well, we sign a consent form.
Well, they have the right to use it.
They have the right to use it.
Unlimited use.
Correct. And I'm sure, look, any free service,
Yeah.
nothing in life is, by the way, replay this 1,000 times. Nothing in life is free.
Yes.
All right. Anything's, if something's free, always be weary of the free lunch. I think we've seen this in old books, and
read the fine print.
Right. Read the fine print. Understand exactly what you're signing up for.
Yeah.
Understand there is nothing in this world you will get for free.